Synonymous with our favourite secret agent, Commander James Bond, the DBS replaced the previous generation Vanquish S as Aston Martin's flagship car on its launch in 2007. In the short time since, the model has firmly established itself as a favourite with Aston Martin enthusiasts. Just 2,500 DBS coupes were built for worldwide consumption, and only 988 of those built with the manual gearbox as seen here. The 2008 model year example we're delighted to offer for sale is ideally specified with the 6-speed manual gearbox, 2+0 seating arrangement and 20-spoke alloy wheels with storm black exterior paintwork. In addition to the usual luxurious specifications of the DBS, this car is fitted with a high specification alarm, piano black fascia trims and auto-dimming rear mirror. First registered in 2008 and known to us since 2016 when we supplied the car to its last owner, this car benefits from servicing throughout its life at Aston Martin agents and in our own workshops. Having covered just 11,300 miles from new, this car is in superb order throughout. Prior to handover to its custodian, the car will receive a fresh service, full pre-delivery preparation, 12 months MOT and 12 months warranty prior to handover.